In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a poll using Facebook Messenger. So to create a poll within Messenger, it can only be done within group chat. So we tap on the Messenger icon and we'd either have to go and create a new group or select an existing group like I have done just here with some of my friends, and then that way we can create the poll. Now this group that I have with my friends, it generally all relates around sport, but we want to go to the bottom left hand corner and tick the plus icon, and then we're going to click this poll icon, and then we can start creating the poll question and the poll answers. So I'm going to stick with a sporting theme for this group with my friends, and I'm going to ask a sporting question as I type it in: which team will win the grand final? And then we can click on options. So I'm going to pick the various teams that are still in with a chance: Sharks, Panthers, Storm, Roosters, and we'll add one more, Cowboys. And we click create poll. So the poll has been created and there's a few more options for people to view, and when they tap on that they all come up. Which team will win the grand final? I'm going to tick Sharks because they're the team I support, and the votes start coming in. That's how simple it is to create a poll on Facebook Messenger.